This video shows you how to hide slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hiding the slide. Open up a PowerPoint presentation. Select the correct slide. On the left side of your screen, you should see a list of all the slides in your presentation. Click the one you wish to hide. Click Slideshow. Click Hide Slide. If you have successfully hid a slide, there will be a slash over the number correlated with the hidden slide. Repeat this process to hide multiple slides. Reveal the slide. If you wish to show the slide again, simply repeat this process. Accessing the hidden slide. Make a link to the hidden slide. Highlight the text you wish to create a link from. Click Insert. Choose Hyperlink. Choose Place in this document from the options on the left side of the pop-up window. Select the hidden slide and click the OK button from the bottom right of the window. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.